Hi, and welcome to Wade's Weekly Update. Today is May the 14th, and I am Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man with First Community Mortgage here in Mt Juliet, Tennessee, and serving all of Middle Tennessee area. Um, this week, on this week's update, the USDA has made a big announcement about the areas that are eligible for their USDA Rural Development Loan that is a true 100% financing loan. The biggest news out of that is here in Wilson County. Um, Actually, all of Wilson County is now eligible for USDA rural development loans. So that means Lebanon, Mount Juliet, everywhere here in Wilson County, the properties here are eligible for that 100% financing. So that was huge news. There were some other areas that had some changes. Shelby County, Murray, Williamson, Wilson, Sumner, Coffee, Hamblin, Blount, Washington, and Sullivan counties all had changes and increased area of eligibility. So you can take a look at this following slide, and it tells you a little more about the areas that were changed. Um, so with this news, I thought I would hit on some of the benefits of the USDA Rural Development Loan. It is truly the only 100% financing loan out there other than a VA loan, which of course you have to be a veteran or be related to a veteran to get. But the USDA program actually is 100% financing. The mortgage insurance for it is very, very low, so that is a very attractive piece of it. Um, the loan will actually allow for you to roll in closing costs if the appraisal will allow for it. So in other words, if your appraisal comes in a little bit high, you can actually roll in the closing costs of the loan without having the seller pay for them. So that's another great benefit for it. Um, it's a government loan, so the rates are very competitive. They're right along with what FHA are usually, and definitely typically lower than what a conventional loan would be, but not by a whole lot. Um, One of the main kickers is they have income limits, of course, with the USDA loan. Um, Depending on how many people live in your household, you can't make a certain amount of money and still qualify for those homes, or that type of loan. So that's kind of something to look out for. But that's a huge announcement for this area and the surrounding area about some expanded eligibility for USDA rural development loans. So I wanted to touch on that today. If you want to learn more about USDA rural development loans. Their website is right here. Take a look at that, and it will have all the information you could need about what makes you eligible for a USDA loan. And of course, if you have questions, you can always call me 615-335-3356. You can shoot me a text or give me a call anytime, whether it's rural development or any other type of loan or anything I can possibly help you with. Just give me a shout. I'll be glad to do what I can. I am Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man. Hope you guys have a great rest of the week, and we will talk next week. Bye bye.